Do you know what the difference between Armagnac and Cognac is? Well, the answer is quite simple. They're both brandy, but not all brandy is Cognac. Cognac is produced only in the town of Cognac in France. Armagnac is produced in France, but it is a lighter form of brandy. A fine French brandy from the Armagnac region, which is situated southeast of Bordeaux. Although almost as highly regarded as Cognac, Armagnac is of a different style. It's distilled only once and therefore has a lower alcoholic strength, generally about 53% alcohol, than Cognac, which is about 70%. This undergoes a double distillation process as well. The single distillation also leaves more flavoring elements in the distilled spirit. Now, Armagnac employs the local black oak for aging instead of the Limousin oak, which is used for Cognac. Black oak imparts more flavor to the Armagnac and allows for faster aging. The result is that Armagnac is silky smooth but fuller flavored than Cognac, although it generally doesn't have the finesse of the finest Cognacs. So once again, all Cognac and Armagnac is brandy, just that one is from Cognac, France. Cheers!